Oh, cool. I got a new Donald Trumpete.
Donald Trompeta. It's a good
You
name.
go.
That invoice?
Oh my god.
Yeah!
I have lag. That's not a lot. Oh, it's a lot. I have a lot of lag right now.
Why? Don't do this to me, Jared. I can't take these guys on.
Yeah, you can. You just scored a goal on him.
Jared.
Yes.
You ain't got lag, you lying fuck.
No, I do. I do have lag.
Trompeta, no! Oh, Trompeta sucks. Huh. Huh. Jared, he set it up. Yoo-hoo!
Oh, lag on my side.
I played his life.
I played his life right here too. Watch. Oh no, I'm gonna miss. Sleep. I actually like this car. It's pretty nice.
Yeah! Oh shit.
Ah!
I hit it twice. I'm a savage. I was like, huh. Then you tried it, I'm like, no!
I got this.
Name this video Exodia, because we're obliterating.
I might use the end of the second, and then this one.
We're just like shitting on him.
Yeah.
What? What the fuck?
Yo! Oh, that was making it in. Oh shit.
Oh, you fucked me.
Sorry.
You're good.
Ay. Qué chingado haces. Yo! Oh.
What?
The setup. Try it again.
What? That's not inward. It's like I'm using
The
glasses again.
setup.
That's in.
Oh shit.
Using the lightning sounds like I'm using glasses gun, doesn't it?
I guess.
Just like listen to it if they don't forfeit. You go.
Oh, I missed.
I missed as well.
No, la trompeta.
Oh, he scored? What? His teammate hit it though. Oh. All I hear from your cars.
Yeah.
Hiya.
Oh, you bitch.
Played his life.
I'm so
Oh,
sorry.
Devin! Yeah,
I'm so sorry,
something
Star.
that was something Devin would do. I missed.
Yo! What the fuck?
What are you saying yo for?
That was bullshit.
How was that bullshit?
Because it's Trump. Jared, they're going for that comeback, fam.
They don't got it, fam.
Hey,
Wanna-
bitch, you fucking took my shit. Yo! Oh.
It's sad that you know how to barrel roll and Devin doesn't. That's what I think is sad right now.
What?
You know how to barrel roll, but Devin doesn't. Like, oh, I barrel rolled way off.
Get this Fake.
Oh, I didn't know where Trump was. I was gonna hit him.
Oh, you bitch.
It's like I'm driving a fucking F2 car right now.
We're gonna do Trump. No, you don't. He was gonna flip that shit, and I smacked him out the way. Get that shit back there.
Hurry up, set me up. I said set me up.
I did. I tried to set you up right there, man.
I meant like this. What the fuck? He didn't even hit that on my screen. He's not even hitting it. You bumped me.
Chingao. Yeet. Oh, you were there.
That I was.
Oh, shite. Didn't I tell you that I was a savage? Oh, you bitch.
Oh! You know what's sad?
Oh, bitch.
It's a setup, but I'm not gonna go for it. They don't want me to score, Ivan. They don't want me to score for a third time. No! Fuck! No! I pulled a Devin. No, 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 no! No!
Oh, you were close though.
Watch this. Fuck you, Trump. How'd you read that? Oh. That's in. That's in. Fuck.
That was amazing. I didn't want to hit it in again. I wanted to roll in. It was over before they had a chance. Oh, never mind. Oh, fuck.
Ooh.